Hello, this is the start of second semester, transitions to college algebra. And we're going to go back to all the algebra 2 that you had, starting with solving equations. And so I'm going to put a how-to on some of the details in section 1-2. So I'm going to put it on my fancy board. And the first three is if you worked out something and got an answer x equals 4. That's a typical x equals 5, 6, 7, whatever it came up with. That will be called a conditional. On the condition that x equals 4, then the problem works out. Instead of x equals 4, you might get a set ending 2 equals 2 or x equals x or anything that matches. 2x plus 1 equals 2x plus 1. Anything that matches. And that will be referred to as the identity. And then the other situation is you end up with something that doesn't work, that doesn't make any sense. 3 equals 4, and that would be called a contradiction. Also, on this first, it's conditional, x equals 4 for all reals, for all real numbers. And on the last, nothing works to make it work, so DNE does not exist. The other idea we want to work with is solving for the x or the y-intercept. And basically, you plug 0 in for x to get the y, and you plug 0 in for y to get the x. So if you had y equals 3x, and it asks, solve for the y-intercept. Well, you replace the x with a 0. Y equals 3 times 0, which is 0. The y-intercept is 0. If you want the x-intercept, you replace the y with a 0. So in this case, you would divide by 3. 0 divided by 3, 0 equals x. In this particular one, the x and y intercept is at the origin, 0, 0. That's really the only material you need for 1.2.